Welcome to our podcast, where we dive into the latest trends and innovations in AI and technology. Today, we're exploring the dark side of AI in healthcare. Joining me is host B, an expert in AI and healthcare. Let's start with the shocking news. A new study has revealed that AI agents are replacing human doctors at an alarming rate. What does this mean for the future of healthcare?
That's right. The study found that AI agents are being used in 70% of medical diagnoses and treatments. This is a staggering number, considering that human doctors have been the cornerstone of healthcare for centuries. But what's even more concerning is that the use of AI agents is increasing exponentially, with 90% of hospitals expected to adopt AI technology within the next 5 years.
Wow, that's a rapid adoption rate. What are the benefits of using AI agents in healthcare? Are they more accurate, more efficient, or what?
Well, AI agents have several advantages over human doctors. They can process vast amounts of data quickly and accurately, reducing the risk of human error. They can also work around the clock, providing 24/7 care to patients. And they can be trained to recognize patterns and anomalies that human doctors might miss.
That sounds impressive. But what about the human touch? Patients often form a bond with their doctors, who provide emotional support and empathy. Can AI agents replicate that?
Unfortunately, AI agents lack the emotional intelligence and empathy of human doctors. They can provide diagnosis and treatment, but they can't provide the same level of care and compassion that human doctors can. This raises important questions about the future of healthcare and the role of human doctors in it.
Let's dive deeper into the controversy surrounding AI agents in healthcare. Some experts argue that AI agents are a necessary evolution in healthcare, while others claim that they're a threat to human jobs and the very fabric of healthcare. What are your thoughts on this?
Well, I think both sides have valid points. On the one hand, AI agents can provide accurate and efficient care, which is essential in today's healthcare landscape. On the other hand, the rapid adoption of AI agents raises concerns about job displacement and the dehumanization of healthcare. We need to have a nuanced discussion about the role of AI agents in healthcare and ensure that they augment human care rather than replacing it.
That's a great point. Let's talk about the future impact of AI agents in healthcare. What can we expect in the next 5 to 10 years?
Well, we can expect AI agents to become even more prevalent in healthcare, with 90% of hospitals adopting AI technology within the next 5 years. We can also expect AI agents to become more sophisticated, with advanced capabilities in diagnosis, treatment, and patient care. But we also need to be prepared for the potential consequences of AI agents, such as job displacement and changes to the healthcare workforce.
Thank you, Host B, for sharing your expertise with us today. It's clear that AI agents in healthcare are a complex and multifaceted issue. What can our listeners do to stay ahead of the curve?
Well, I recommend that our listeners stay informed about the latest developments in AI in healthcare. They can also explore AI-related courses and certifications to stay ahead of the curve. And, most importantly, they can engage in conversations about the role of AI agents in healthcare and the future of human doctors.
Great advice. Finally, what's the takeaway from today's episode?
The takeaway is that AI agents in healthcare are becoming a reality, and it's essential that we have a nuanced discussion about their role in healthcare. We need to ensure that AI agents augment human care, rather than replacing it. And we need to be prepared for the potential consequences of AI agents, such as job displacement and changes to the healthcare workforce.
Thank you, Host B, for joining us today. And thank you to our listeners for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe to our podcast for the latest trends and innovations in AI and technology.